Automatic vehicle control and monitoring systems could be used to make safe, fast, and comfortable access to your private territory. For example, a resident of cottage community have to feel himself safe without outsiders. The owner of manufacturer have to know everything about his truck's movement with online reports. The most popular question: what kind of access technology should be selected? The system should be very reliable and cost-effective. The most simple and convenient way is to select UHF RFID systems by SAUK, which can operate with contactless RFID tags in a far field up to 15 meters distance. Developed for real applications and real environment, SAUK RFID systems provide contactless access only for authorized vehicles and can be used for any kind of area at any climatic zone. SAUK systems are ready-made solution. The equipment is compatible with the most types of gates, barriers, and access control systems. If necessary, it can be easily and very fast integrated into your company IT infrastructure via Wi-Fi or wired communication interfaces. Upon entry to the territory, identification occurs remotely, allowing vehicles to pass without stopping. For enterprise checkpoints, the system automates route tracking, simplifies reporting, and reduces the impact of human error. Bidirectional traffic control is possible. Installation and setup are rapid. The system can be easily mounted on any pole, post, or flat wall surface. Configuration can be done from a regular smartphone screen. The SAUK systems are very reliable in operation as it works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, year-round, and in all weather conditions. Vehicle identification is happening with using of different type of RFID transponder like windshield UHF sticker, headlamp UHF sticker, UHF card, or IP68 on-metal UHF tag. SAUK ensures comfort, security, and low implementation costs. Learn more on SAUK web resources.